Hi everyone, today I will introduce for you how to use Coingecko and maybe I will introduce and read for us some different between Coingecko and Coingecko. So as you can see on the screen now, there are a lot of token and so this is the main page from Coingecko, and so I will enter the coin market cap. It was similar to the coin market cap, but in my opinion, I really want to use coin market cap more than Coingecko because coin market cap is really really have a intuitive interface with the main page, and there are some other tools for us to use when updating the connected. But today I'm only want to introduce for you guys new, some features from CoinMarketCap. So this is the main page from CoinMarketCap, Coin and you can see here below is the list of the token ordered by the market cap. You can see here similar to coin market cap. You can sort by market cap column here, uh, ordered by descending and or descending or ascending last 3 days. Here you can see the chart within 7 days. Order by volume, uh, market caps. Uh, those is the token ordered by market cap. Bitcoin is number one. Binance coin 4 and so on Dogecoin or direct only Aruran Thorn. A lot of token here. You can see recently added coins or token here. I think in money only token there are a lot of new tokens is imported every day by a lot, so we need to have good knowledge and good research before buying any new token. It was quite risky, dangerous if you buy new token, and because in the seed sale or private sale they buy with price is really low. Then after IDO the price is really 3 times or 4 times or even 10 times from the IDO, from the private sale or seed sale price. They will sell up a lot, and after listing on the Coingecko or the uh, centralized exchange or decentralized exchange, be careful before you buy in any new token listed on CoinMarketCap or uh, centralized exchange such as Binance or Gate.io, Maxi Global, Huobi Global. There are many types here. You can have experience with yourself, but I don't want to get into detail because it can make my video quite long, and I just want to keep it in short. Here it changes spot centralized trend here. Why a lot centralized trends. Number one is Binance, Coinbase trends, crypto or KuCoin FTS, Gate.io, derivative NFT here, NFT and collectible here. You can view the results. For example, the the tools for us to view W farming proof by Verilog. Right. When you see here, you can know which decentralized exchanges have you farming. Enter we we take we take a look at that boost is farming, and if we consider we will get new graphics and consider on the risk if we add liquidity for some booth. After that, after consider the factors, if everything in our controls, we will make a decision to add liquidity on that book. Uh, add the liquidity has a risk of impermanent loss. Please know that risk before you farm in any pool on the centralized exchange. Binance here, market cap, and there are a good tool for us to calculate impermanent loss here. You can see here. I don't get into detail here. Maybe why. Yeah. Monthly, daily, hourly, minutes here. We can calculate profit every day by day on by this tools, by this tool. Resource compare coin, Islam coin, Bitcoin halving. Uh, this menu supply for us some tools to earn more money with farming. I will tell Islam coin compare compare coins, uh, compare coin market cap or coin here. What the mobile. Now I will show you some specific information for certain tokens, and we will REST OTC multiple network. It will list all information for us about this token, market cap, 24-hour trading volume, or fully diluted validation or circulating supply, mass supply, and total supply currently. Some information from for this token, net website or medium to show our information about this token, Twitter or Telegram, Discord, Facebook, and below is show for us a chart, a chart to view the rise movement day by day or week by week, live chart here. Beside there are market stars and OTC rise. We will assign we put aside from the chart here, and you can see market cap trading volume, 24-hour low or 24-hour high, and all high or low here. A lot of information here. You can see by yourself all about the new token here. Oh, it's down a lot, and you know Bitcoin is down in a lot at currently 24 January 24. It's down a lot here, and so on the market in right now. I think that's all for today, guys. Those information supply here just for how to use a con record. This also a good tool for us to view any token or research, explore, investigate any token before investing in crypto. And so uh, finally, in my opinion, I also want to I like to use CoinMarketCap more than use CoinGecko because the interface very intuitive more intuitive than CoinGecko. So, but CoinGecko also other option for us. Hey, that's enough for now for today, guys. If you see my video is a good video, you can give me a thumb up and subscribe my channel if you want to see a new video as soon as possible, because it can send you a notification right at the time I post a new video. Or you can comment below if you have any questions. I will answer for you if I can. And goodbye for now. Thank you, everyone.